We're gonna find a way to make a fun, healthy snack that is convenient, easy to grab, especially when times are tight. So you have 1.5 cups of oats. I like rolled oats. They kind of stick together a little better and they keep you fuller longer.
Gotcha.
You have, I like to call these protein energy balls. So I throw some protein in it just to get some added nutrients.
Yum.
Yes, you're gonna want some cinnamon.
I'm a big cinnamon lover. Yeah.
Yeah, every time a recipe calls for half a teaspoon of cinnamon, I always throw in extra. I love cinnamon too. And I also like to always sneak like extra nutrients into my protein balls. So soaked chia seeds, if you soak it overnight, it actually makes it a little bit more sticky.
Oh, wow,
which is
you made
awesome.
a paste. I gotcha.
Yeah, it's a sticking agent. It's really, really helpful. I like to add some nuts. I have some chopped almonds here. I also love a sweetener, but honey or maple syrup if you are vegan. Honey
And
also
you're
works
Canadian.
really, really well.
Come on, I mean,
I am.
They got lots of maple syrup.
It works perfectly, yeah. We have some peanut butter, all natural. I like crunchy because it just gives it that extra crunch as well.
Yeah.
I love the texture. Me too.
Yes. Coconut flakes, unsweetened. Just throw that in there.
Yum.
Some dark chocolate chips.
Toasty.
To add a little sweetness, and really dark bitter chocolate is great for you. And then just a touch of milk, plant-based milk if you're vegan. And then you just kind of get your hands in there and get really dirty. But mix it all together.
So it's like making your own like no-bake protein bar, but you're tailoring it to what you love, and it makes it much more affordable, right?
And that's what I love about it. You can get creative. You can add some dried fruits. You can add some raisins. You can add any seeds you love. And then once it's all mixed together and you have this beautiful kind of mushy texture, you can just start to make some balls. I'll show you one. I have some pre-made here.
They're beautiful. I mean, I think people would love them, even kids. It's like eating really healthy cookie dough, right?
Exactly. And what I even do some mornings is I'll throw it in a bowl of warm milk.
Yum.
And what you want to do is, what I love to do is, hands are a little messy here, is I love to actually wrap it in tinfoil, because that actually allows it to hold its shape, and then you can put it in the freezer. So you're not needing such heavy caloric sticky agents like peanut butter and honey. You don't need too much of that. If you just wrap it in tinfoil and place it in your freezer for a few hours.
Right. So
set it up for a few hours.
Beautiful.
Then you have these beautiful little balls here.
Woo!
Yeah, it's really helpful. And then you can just take a bite of it. My hands are all
friend.
messy.